Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Gems. Today we're going to talk about Polkadot. We'll see what is Polkadot, where it's trading right now, and where it can go in the future. Check out the links in the description box for more information on how you can buy Polkadot. However, this is not a financial advice and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So let's get started. So what exactly is Polkadot? Polkadot is a next generation blockchain protocol designed to support multiple blockchains within a single network. You can think of it as an umbrella over multiple blockchains. Now, let's talk about the technical analysis of Polkadot. I'm on daily chart right now, and as you can see, I have already drawn RSI divergence here, which was before this recent pullback or consolidation, whatever you want to call it. And that was also the time when our two short-term moving averages, 20 and 55, were crossing about 200, right? Now let's draw a price level or a zone on this chart right here. And as you would have noticed, before this crash in May, price was taking support around this area, right? And after it broke below it, it came back up to retest that same level only to fall even further. Okay, so after that there was this bull run in the crypto market and Polkadot broke past this zone with a minor resistance around this area, right? But as we saw that this level acts as a magnet, so a little after it broke above it, it came back down to test that same level. Okay, and even 200-day SMA is at the same level, so pretty much the price is consolidating and taking support around this area. So my take on this chart right now is that as long as price is above this level and as long as 20 and 50 SMAs are about 200 SMAs, there's nothing really to worry about as of now. And to talk about price targets, it can take a few months or even a year, but let's use Fibonacci extensions to just get a picture of this price targets. I use 0.618 levels for my price targets, and as you all can see, the first target is at $72, second is at $110, and so on. So after this video, if you turn bullish on Polkadot and you want to buy some, so you can buy it on Binance, and the link is down below if you don't already have an account there. Also, like if you want to store the Polkadot safely, this is the Trezor wallet. It's a hardware wallet, not a software wallet. So it's much safer. It has excellent customer support and it's easy to use. So please check out the links in the description box for more information on both of these things. So that was the technical analysis of Polkadot, and now let's talk about its fundamental advantages. So I got this information from boxmining.com. The link is down here, and let's get into it. So the Polkadot project is set to revolutionize blockchain technology by offering a bridge-like framework that provides the following advantages. First, limitless scalability. So Polkadot can support infinite number of blockchains and allow them to connect together. These are known as parachains. Second, adaptable consensus mechanism. As different blockchains run on different consensus mechanisms, the Polkadot platform provides an open and adaptable consensus mechanism to host them. Okay. Third, cross-chain transactions. The framework can support the transfer of value between different blockchains. That's great, right? Fourth, defined governance mechanism. It has a defined governance mechanism which eliminates major problems faced by other blockchains. Pool security. The blockchain connecting with Polkadot can be secured by a unifying security umbrella. Sixth, low transaction fees. Polkadot claims it has lower transaction fees as compared to Ethereum. So that's also a great point. So I'm bullish on Polkadot. I think it has got a great future. So pretty much that is it for today. I showed you the technical analysis of Polkadot and its advantages over other blockchains. Please check out the links in the description box for more information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give us a like. Make sure to add any comments down below with your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.